The reason that we're having this discussion is, of course, because Stora Enso and Tetra Pak are collaborating on innovation. To start with you, Hannu, what value does Stora Enso get out of collaborating, not just within the different departments of your company, but with another partner in the supply chain, such as Tetra Pak? What's the value in it for you?
Yeah, I'd say that there are multiple values. If we start from the fact that we are experts, obviously, with fiber and how do we create the board structures, and then definitely Tetra is very much sort of experienced in different coating technologies, recipes, and so on. And when we put our sort of forces together, we are definitely more than 1 + 1 is more than 2 in this case, and it means that we have much more collaboration together. We trust, we share, we learn together, and there is a much more transparency. So I'd say our organization have grown much closer to each other because we have same strategic objectives, which are obviously good for the people and planet.
Mm. Anke, what's Tetra Pak's perspective on this co-creation aspect of innovation?
I think that's Tetra Pak has clearly understood that's the only way to move forward. And this took some time. I think there has been a not invented here syndrome also at Tetra Pak for many, many years. And this has totally changed over the last years. And if I come to the point that why we are here together is that partnerships is the only way to go. And as Hannu was already alluding, our partnership with Stora Enso is now in place for 58 years. So it's a long, strong partnership in terms of business. And that's a solid foundation to build on. But it also means that sometimes you need to reinvent the relationship. And I think that's what we have been able to do, and that makes us very strong today. The partnership restart really meant we also have to look at the things that haven't worked in the past. Why might we have ended up with continuous improvement only and not with a breakthrough or some really leapfrogging in terms of innovation? And that has been, I think, a very good point to reflect, and is something always recommended for any innovation partnership that needs to be restarted and needs to be brought into a co-creation setup.